Hey, what's up? As you know, Apple Watch is the most popular smartwatch on the market. It is not surprising that Chinese manufacturers copy the design of the most popular smartwatch. I don't see anything wrong with that, as long as it is a really useful device. Wearpai F8 is the high-quality clone of Apple Watch. Of course, it is not the smartwatch, because it doesn't have operating system or apps support. Also, you cannot make or receive phone calls on it. However, Wearpai F8 has good touchscreen, pedometer, heart rate monitor, blood pressure, sport modes, and long battery life. Yes, the functions are the same as any modern fitness bracelet, but the main feature of this watch is design. It looks exactly like Apple Watch, so let's make the review and unboxing of Wearpai F8. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. Even the box of Wearpai F8 looks similar to the box of Apple Watch. This is a long white box with the image of the watch and main features. The package contents include the fitness watch, charger, and user manual. Yes, the watch costs only $20, but I have very good impressions after the first unboxing. I don't have Apple Watch, so I can't make side-by-side comparison. However, Wearpai F8 looks very similar to the most popular smartwatch. The case is made of metal. Because of this watch is quite heavy, 60 grams. The size of the watch is 245 by 20 by 42 mm. Wearpai F8 has a silicone strap. I have the black version, but you can buy the watch with silver dial and white strap, the black dial and yellow strap. All of them look very nice. Wearpai F8 has even the same clasp as Apple Watch. At first, it is not very comfortable, but then I got used to it. Also, it is very reliable. On the back of the watch, there is heart rate sensor and charging connector. Talking about display, it doesn't take up the entire front panel. You can see thick bezels around the display, like on a Mesfit bib. The screen has a diagonal of 1.3 inches and 240 by 240 pixels. I think this is IPS panel, because it is good visible outdoors and even in direct sunlight. I can compare the screen of Wearpai F8 with the new Mi Band 4. By the way, the watch has IP67 water resistance, but the manufacturer recommends to take it off before swimming and taking shower. As you understand, it is not full waterproof. As I already said, the functions of Wearpai F8 are quite standard for the most fitness trackers. It has heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, running, cycling, alpinism, message, stopwatch, and screen brightness. There are 3 levels to change the screen brightness. The next functions are music controller, find a phone, and shutdown. Wearpai F8 has a few watch faces. You need to press and hold the home screen for a few seconds, and there will be watch faces. In general, there are 3 watch faces. Also, you can swipe up or down to see your daily activity, such as steps, calories, and heart rate. The next swipe opens the sleep monitor and native information. Swipe to the right from the home screen allows to see new messages. You can choose the application that can send you notifications to the watch in the app on smartphone. If you began talking about the app, let's look at it. The app on smartphone is called Wear Fit 2.0. It is available in Google Play and App Store. The connection of the watch with mobile device is very simple. Choose F8 watch to connect, and it is done. I have already had a watch on a review with Wear Fit 2.0 companion app. I have to say, it is my favorite app for fitness tracker after Xiaomi Mi Fit. Wear Fit has a very nice user interface. The home screen has steps, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, etc. The settings menu has following options: connection management, smart reminder, hand-up screen, hourly measure, show screensaver, layouts. Yes, you can set your picture on the lock screen. In general, the app is very simple and nice. I think you will deal with it quickly. Finally, I should say about battery. Wearpai F8 has a battery capacity of 170 mAh. The manufacturer promises 7 days of battery life, but I had about 5-6 days. I think it is good result for the watch with a big color touchscreen and a price of $20. The full battery charge takes about 2 hours. Wearpai F8 is a very nice and interesting watch. I don't know should I say that it is a good clone of Apple Watch, because maybe you don't need a clone, but I can't ignore this. The watch has a very similar display, design, strap and even screen with activity. It really wants to look like Apple Watch. Anyway, it is really a good fitness watch. The functions are standard for modern fitness tracker, such as notifications, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, music control, but design is very nice. This is good option for those who don't want a fitness bracelet like Mi Band 4, but a real watch on hand. The price of Wearpai F8 is only $22. I will leave the link in description where you can buy it cheaper. Thanks for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.